shield's about to fall off.
Get ready. Go.
Sorry.
Where's Taylor?
Why are you even stacked on the guy?
Is that, dude? I had the fucking mark. I had rupture and I went out. And I fucking, yeah, I ran in too quick to sprint.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Watch out.
Ah, what are you doing? Radon doesn't say it fast.
Now, some lag or something going on.
I gotta say.
Yo, get this one at like half on top.
Here.
5,
Targeting troll.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Get ready. Fuck! Hit it hard.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, everything is going to green after this. Alright, everything to green. On green, now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, leave your balls off.
I think we're okay. We need to get to the That's just slags, right?
Alright, this elemental I just marked with skull. It's on D. Get that one over there.
Alright, moving them now. He's in position. Stop interrupting in case I gotta run.
Go, burn.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Whoever's got that other elemental on him needs to get the hell out. Is it me? No, Mulgrim.
I move out.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Lightspeed ahead.
Captain.
Alright, get ready. Get him on there. Go, go, go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Get that.
Danny, bring them in closer. He's about to go in the last phase.
5,
Fuck, I got fire on me.
3, 2, 1.
Alright, everyone in the corner. Go, run. Clean up ads. Come on, get in the corner. Go, go, go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Get away from the thing.
Busting.
Yep.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, Danny, we need to start backing.
Still have a ton of space.
Why the hell is my
Lightspeed
move
ahead.
and weak aura going up?
Yay!
Good job.
Oh.
Whew, look at my mana.